What's going on, guys? It's your boy Floors Media back with another vlog. I just got back from doing some overtime at work today. Usually Fridays and Tuesdays are my day off, but I'm trying to do at least 7 days a week working. I'm trying to put in more than like 20 hours OT a week because, you know, the kids out here trying to get some more car parts. I'm trying to bring you guys more content. So with more content, more money, more car parts. So, you know, it's a 50-50 thing. But yeah, I'm out here trying to get more car parts for y'all, and I'm trying to make the S2K look sick as fuck and handle great. Today's gonna be a light vlog. What we're doing today is I'm gonna go meet up with a buddy at around 3:30. We are gonna go get a muffler delete. I will show you the vehicle. He is a good K later. Took the S2K to work today. I got a lot of love for that. Parts coming in too. I just got my taxes back, so let's just say some big stuff within the next couple weeks. I'm not gonna spoil it yet, but I ordered something a few days ago, and it said it was gonna be here on Friday, which is today. I have not gotten it yet, so I'm gonna check in on my emails, see where the hell it's at. I thought it was in San Francisco, but I don't know. Let's hope by tomorrow I can get that package, I guess you could say. We'll see though, we'll see. But yeah, stay tuned, and next time you guys see me, I'll be driving the S2K and we'll go get the muffler deletes. See you in a bit. Alright, squad, I just got ready. It's about 3:20 something. I'm about to go meet up with Austin at our job, and then from there we're gonna go to the muffler shop and we're gonna delete some mufflers. Fuck. I don't think you guys have ever seen this angle in this 2K. Fuck it. Alright, let's get it. Pull up to the whip like yee. She's still stock as fuck, but looking saucy. We got this faggot. Just kidding, it's clean. Shout out to Big Murph. It's hella funny. Big ass fan of his. Look at him. Look at him. What the fuck is he doing? Look at him. What the fuck? Little ass dingo head, you're fucking late.
I'm sorry, Tito.
Fuck you. Austin, say what's up to the vlog. This is the boy Austin. Austin, explain what you have right here. Explain to the subscribers right here. What is this?
It's a Dodge Challenger 2017 Scat.
Oh my god, are you ready to go get your fucking mufflers deleted, boy, or what's up? Ooh, let's get it, baby, let's go. Look at that, look at that.
Look at this
fucking hobby. He's in the vlog. And Jackson! He's in the vlog, they're in the fucking... Alright, let's go, man, they close at 5. The boy Javi. Oh, we out, baby, we out. You ready, boy, or what's up? You ready?
Yes, sir, you weenie hut junior.
Show me what you got. What you got? What you got in your car?
Little X.
Oh, it's happening, baby. It's going down. What's up? You excited or what?
Oh yes.
I'm about to be loud as fuck.
Isn't excited, but
oh. Damn. For anyone in the Santa Rosa or Bay Area location, I recommend coming to Johnny Franklin's for all your muffler and exhaust needs. Really recommended, hooked us up, and really cool people. Look at that, side shot.
Got a little welder there. Dude, honestly, my rims are pretty sick. I never really noticed that.
Wow.
Look at them.
Austin, what the fuck?
Fuck, Kyle?
What the fuck, Kyle? You about to have a muffler delete, boy. What the fuck?
Pretty horny about it. Just a little. He has it low. You hear that little scrape?
Yup. Yo.
You got a muffler delete too.
So we're currently waiting for Austin's car to finish up with the muffler delete. I think they did a resonator as well, but I'm not entirely sure. I think they're adding an X pipe.
I don't know. You're a mechanic, you dilly. You tell me.
Fuck, I wasn't paying attention.
And I told him, you know what? It's my car. I do whatever the hell I want.
Fuck? You didn't tell your dad you were doing this? I like
No,
that. It's
I
your
said
car.
it's my
your
car. I do whatever I want, and I never told him I was going to do it today. So when I go home, he's going to be surprised with the.
So it's time. Austin, turn up. Give me a little rev. Bro, what the fuck? So we just finished up with Austin's muffler delete. Holy fuck, it's loud. So we're about to go meet up and take some drive-by videos, and he's gonna rev 3,000, 6,000, and I believe they go up to 8,000 RPM, so we're gonna see how that goes. But yeah, dude, that's fucking loud. He likes it, he loves it. It sounds clean as fuck, dude. That's the muscly tone, man. It's sick. The VTEC kick in this car is fucking crazy. 6,000. Fuck, I love this thing, dude. It's so sick. What? Clean, boy. Fucking clean. Alright, cousin. What do you think about your fucking muffler delete?
I love it.
Do you? Oh my god.
Love it so much. I want to go lick the old muffler hole. I think I won't.
Alright, squad, I think that's gonna do it with this vlog today. I hope you liked it. It was something light. There's gonna be more car videos and more of my friends coming into that. That's just one of them, one of a lot. But yeah, I mean, it's sick. It sounds cool. Let me get your guys' opinions in the comments below about what you guys think about that. I thought it sounded fucking mean as, I don't know, mean as hell, dude. That was fucking sick. My ears fucking hurt from that, I'll tell you that. But yeah, I just want to say thank you guys for the support, and big things coming this year. That's all I want to say. Thank you for everyone who's following me on Instagram and YouTube and all that. Again, follow me on Instagram if you're new to the channel. My name is Flores Media. That's obviously it's not Flores Media, but I go by that. And I just want to say thank you for everyone for all the support. It means a lot. Thank you for all my subscribers, all my friends and family who support me with this. And I want to make this YouTube big. This is going to be a big year. 2018, I'm going to make big changes, you know? And I just want to say thank you for everyone again. And I appreciate everyone who's watching this and taking the time out of the day to, I don't know, watch my shenanigans and all that kind of shit. So again, I just want to say thank you, and y'all have a good day, all right? I late.